helmet, Sena Momentum Pro. Here is the helmet. Let's unbox it together. Welcome back to the channel. This is Lara and I got a new helmet, Sena Momentum Pro, and we'll be unboxing it together. So this is the Sena Momentum Pro helmet. It's a smart motorcycle helmet which has a Bluetooth, has 8-way intercom, 1.6 kilometer intercom. It has a camera, a quad HD and a full HD camera. It has an advanced noise control. It has audio multitasking. It has voice command. It is water resistant. It has FM radio, and it also has an application to download on your phone. This is what is inside the box. Came with a pin-lock 100% max vision fog resistant lens, which is to be put in the visor for fog. This is the manual. It came with extra AirPods. It came with a charger, Wi-Fi sync cable. I'm not so sure what this is. And it also came with my helmet, my new helmet, which is white. I love this color. It's really beautiful. It's glossy. It's a glossy white helmet. This is the camera. This is the communication system. Here, it has the volume keys. This is where you charge it. It came with a USB cable, as you can see. This is where you charge it. The anti-fog lens it came with, I already installed it here. It's inside this. So whenever I want to move very early in the morning, I cover my visor. I breathe while wearing the helmet. It doesn't cloud the lens because of this fog resistant lens. To put on the helmet, I have to press both the middle button and the plus button at the same time. So the helmet is on. Next, I'm going to connect it with my phone via Bluetooth. Connected. Let me play a music so you guys can listen to how it works. So imagine wearing this helmet and listening to music at the same time. Isn't that lovely? Wow. Okay. It's ringing. I'm calling Mayawa. Mayawa. How are you? Where are you? I'm testing my helmet, my new helmet, so I decided to call you. Can you hear me? Yeah, so I'm testing making phone calls with it, so I decided to call you. Yes, the Sena helmet. So I'll call you later. Wow, nice. Alright, later, bye-bye. So I just made a phone call with the helmet. The camera is on. Yes, camera on. To record, I also have to press this button here. Hey guys, so this is me testing my Sena Momentum Pro helmet. Let me pause the music. Okay, the thing is, the best thing about it is while the camera is on, I can still listen to my music while the camera is on. And whenever I'm on a phone call also, the camera can still be running. Yeah. Put on this helmet now to test the voice command of the helmet. First of all, I have to wear my balaclava. Sena. Play music. Wow. Just like saying, hey Siri, I can command my helmet. Hello Sena, play music, and she does that right. I can tell her to make a phone call, which she will do also. I can tell her to basically do anything on my phone. So now she's playing the music for me from my YouTube. So I get to play music while I ride my bike. Thank you guys for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button. If you're in Nigeria and you would also like to get this helmet, you can check Metallic Horses, they have it there. If you're not in Nigeria, you can check Sena.com for this helmet. See you in my next video.